beets, carrots, honey and lemons recipe to fight anemia. Anemia is a condition that occurs when the body does not have enough healthy blood cells, or hemoglobin, to carry oxygen to all parts of the body. If you have too little blood in your cells or if your hemoglobin is low, your body does not get enough oxygen. Symptoms of anemia are fatigue, poor concentration, weakened immunity, low blood pressure, inflammation of the tongue, accelerated heart rate, fever, dizziness, weakness, cold extremities, sadness, depression, sleep disturbances, and decreased appetite. Some types of anemia are hereditary, with older people and women at greater risk for menstrual blood loss and an increased need for oxygen during pregnancy. Well, if you too have this problem, try this homemade recipe that will help you overcome anemia in just a few weeks. The preparation is simple, and while it is healthy, it is also very tasty. Take 1 tablespoon 3 times daily before each meal to fight anemia. Ingredients needed: 200 milliliters of honey, 200 grams of nuts, 200 grams of raisins, 200 milliliters of carrot juice, 200 milliliters of beet juice, 2 lemons. Method of preparation: wash the lemons and cut them in half, removing the seeds. Dice them with the peel if they are organic, if sprayed remove it too, and place in a glass jar that collects at least 1 liter. Add the honey and the squeezed beet juice and carrots, then mix well. Then add the finely chopped or ground nuts and raisins. Stir again. You will get about 1 liter of the delicious and very healthy medicinal mixture. Store in a glass jar in the refrigerator.